food plan? Well, the way I eat normally is that in the week I like to cook as much as I can, time dependent, and I like to prepare my food in advance, so I've got a packed lunch with me, and that way I can avoid eating processed food. During the week I just eat loads of protein to keep me full, protein with every meal, lots of greens, and then I have carbs for breakfast and lunch to kind of keep me full during the day, and then normally a bit of a lighter supper. And I'll always have 2 snacks, something like berries, a bit of dark chocolate, some nuts, carrots and hummus, or a protein shake with like your choice of milk or water is always a good one if you're on the go as well. On the weekend I tend to just be a bit more relaxed and eat whatever I feel like. How do you get your stomach so toned? Oh, thank you. I don't think it's my most toned part. But I guess for abs, I think it's a bit of a mixture. It's not one specific thing that I do. I feel the best about my abs when I'm doing kind of a balance of exercise and eating really healthily. And if I'm not eating healthily at all, then I tend not to be able to see any ab definition, so it's definitely a good mix. I find doing some strong core work, like lots of plank variations, is what really strengthens my core, and that's when I feel like I can actually see my abs. How do you rise above negative comments? I think mainly I rise above it by just totally ignoring it, and then I just think it's mainly about focusing on the positive ones. And I also did do a recent digital detox where I didn't go on Instagram or Twitter for over a week, and I actually really enjoyed that. I think it's good to take that time sometimes and kind of reevaluate things. When have you felt at your strongest? Well, 2 years ago I felt really strong because I could do pull-ups, but now I feel much stronger at running. I can run faster and for longer. So I think it just changes, and it's a different type of strength. Are you following a pre-wedding specific workout program? Well, I wouldn't say I'm following a specific program. I'm kind of mixing up my workouts. I'm really busy at the moment, so it's kind of whatever fits in around my schedule. So I'm mixing up a bit of circuit training, and then also doing a bit of ballet, which I really love. It makes me really long and lean, and I feel like it's good for my posture.